Hello, this video will briefly introduce you to some of the VMware Cloud Director Availability key capabilities and what it can add on top of VMware Cloud Director looking from the cloud service provider's angle. If you have decided to enhance your DR and migration services or add them to your portfolio, it is very easy and straightforward to do it for your VMware Cloud Director based cloud. You just need to deploy the VMware Cloud Director Availability appliances through the standard deployment process. Once finished with that, you have a tool fully designed for cloud providers that offers multi-tenancy, high efficiency and native integrations with VMware Cloud Director on the provider end and vCenter at the tenant premises. All this in a highly cost-effective way and suitable for both managed and self-service. During the initial setup phase, the VMware Cloud Director Availability plugin is registered to VMware Cloud Director. It allows operating the management portal with its complete set of features directly through the VMware Cloud Director UI without opening the portal separately. Also, as we can see, we can attach multiple VMware Cloud Director Availability instances to the same Cloud Director, which is very useful if you operate multiple PVDCs in different geolocations through a single Cloud Director. After selecting the site that we would like to work with, the management portal is loaded. On the main dashboard we can see some basic statistics for the health and operations of the VMware Cloud Director Availability instance, such as the number of connected sites, on-premises to cloud replications or cloud-to-cloud replications. For more details about the connected sites to this instance, we can go to peer sites. This is where we can see the complete list of all cloud and on-premises sites paired to our cloud, their versions and the replication statistics for each one. We can also create a new pairing to another cloud site from here. The replication policies are sets of rules applied on org level to each organization paired to our cloud. Each org must have a policy assigned to it. A default policy comes out of the box and applies to every new onboarded tenant. We can modify it or create new custom policies with different settings depending on the various service tiers or tenant types. One policy can be assigned to multiple orgs, but one organization cannot have more than one associated with it. Through the replication policies we can allow or forbid the migrations or protections, let tenants use custom SLA settings instead of the assigned SLA profiles, specify the maximum number of rotated and stored instances per protection, control the minimum allowed RPO, limit the number of replications and enforce bandwidth throttling. By selecting a policy we can see to which orgs it is assigned, plus some additional statistics. Another way to control the replication settings for each organization is to use SLA profiles on top of the replication policy. The most significant value of using them is that they simplify the service tiering definitions and let the providers quickly onboard new tenants without too many extra configurations and adjustments. VMware Cloud Director Availability is shipped with 3 default SLA profiles: Bronze, Silver and Gold. Each of them can be modified or new custom profiles can be defined. Through the SLA profiles you can define different tiers with different RPO options, the number of stored instances, whether the replication traffic will be compressed or not, and if the tenants will be able to set a delayed start of the initial synchronization. The Layer 2 network stretch gives the tenants better options for smoother migrations. Through the VMware Cloud Director Availability L2 stretch menu, the cloud provider or even the org admin, if they have sufficient privileges, can create an L2 VPN server session. It is the first step to successfully configure an IPsec tunnel between the on-premises and cloud environments that will allow migrating VMs in chunks during different maintenance windows without this affecting the availability of applications running on those VMs. We have several videos specially dedicated to the automated Layer 2 network stretching for NSXT and NSXV backed clouds. To give more visibility on the tenant activities and facilitate the billing operations, VMware Cloud Director Availability offers a couple of per tenant reports showing each tenant's traffic and disk usage. For example, they can be seen and exported through the UI or directly through the API for delivering the data to the cloud provider's billing system. Also, VMware Cloud Director Availability can show the required resources if all protected workloads are powered on. It shows the projected resource consumption per tenant and per PVDC, which helps the provider plan the necessary resources that need to be available for their tenants. As providers, we can see all the protections to and from the cloud and view their details: status, SLA profile in use, RPO, owner, number of instances, and resources required for each. We can filter per source site for better visibility on each tenant's active protections and their details. VMware Cloud Director Availability has plenty of other capabilities designed and developed for the specific needs of cloud providers to help them offer efficient and highly optimized services. Follow our blog or reach out to us to get more details on the product. Thanks for watching.